Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply for a visit visa to Norway. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. The reason of making this video is to show you how to navigate through the service. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened this official Norway site in front of you. And if you wanna apply, you are gonna go to want to apply. Now these answers are very important because based on that it's gonna show you the proper way, like your location and country where you're gonna. So for example, I'm gonna select this. The applicant is a citizen of India. Choose, and then here you are gonna select visa and holiday, visit and holiday. Visitor visa to Norway. Okay, so here you are gonna select based on your purpose. So I'm just making it for tourism sample. So it is showing what are the requirements: application fee, all documents as per the embassy checklist. You should have valid travel insurance, you should have valid passport, you should have enough money, you should have like Norway currency 500 for your each stay in Norway, or else if somebody is supporting you, need a relevant document. You must not be under probation for Norway or Schengen area. Okay, biometrics. Now if you click on how to apply, it's gonna go. Now the country you are applying from, this is also really important because country is specific, there could be changes. Okay, now you have got the main page. So first of all is the checklist. So let's see the checklist. Then you have to apply through the fill the application form, and then as you can see that they have outsourced this section to VFS. Okay, so we can go through them as well. Like you will go and document, you will go and submit your documents at VFS. Okay, you will make an online appointment with them. So if you go with here, apply for a visa, they have all the step-by-step guide. Okay, determine, so we know that how much time it takes. Then so you need to apply this online, so that link is here. It's the same thing they are saying. Okay, then you need to go to like VFS, and when you need to book the appointment here, pay the fee, visit, and if this is your first application and they do not have the biometric, then you have to go for biometric. So let's go to the checklist first. So if you are going for tourist visa, let's check here. Original passport and all previous passports. Wow, must be valid for 3 months beyond the travel issued for previous 10 years. Okay, applicant's passport photo specification has been given. Signed cover letter from the application portal Norway received by email. It can be also retrieved online. Okay, once you submit that online application, print and answer all questions in CVs and submit it with your application. Find the questionnaire further down in this document. A valid travel insurance. Okay, confirm booking tickets, right? Certificate travel agency, confirmation payment from travel agent. Okay, confirmation of in Norway, where are gonna documents of employment, school studies, bank statements covering last 6 months, copies of biodata page and all use passport. If power of attorney, then here, and if under 18, then here. Questionnaire from C visa, form for C visa. So it's very simple: country, purpose of visit, who you will visit, what is relation, are you self-employed or employed, you need to provide employment details. So close family members. Okay, mother, father, children, brother, sister, other. and then you need to sign. Okay, this is fine. Now this is the application form. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to register for an account. I already have, so I'm just gonna log in. Okay, so we are here on the first page, so you can go through the information. It's really important that you understand rights and duty. You need to understand this. Visa. So are you going to travel with or visit a close family member who is a EU, EA or Swiss citizen? I select no, but if you have, definitely. Now comes your details. So about you, basic details, then citizenship, currently living in the country you are citizen of, you select yes. Contact address, your phone number, your email address, your current address. Occupation, do you work? If you select yes, it's gonna ask you more details, description of your work, company name, phone number, street, postal code. Marital status, what is it? If I select single, it's fine. If I select married, this is also fine. Okay, fine. Passport and ID, fingerprint for Schengen visa. If I select no, then I will be asked to. If I select yes, then when did you give, but it's optional. What is the visa sticker number? This is also optional. What type of document are you applying with? Ordinary passport. Country that issued, like your passport details. That's very simple. Travel plan is very important when you go for Schengens. Okay, you see that all those countries are here, so it's very important. And your purpose, if you select tourism, number of entries in and plan entry and exit date. This I see in many like almost all Schengen, whatever I have seen, I've seen over there. Invitation, has someone invited to Schengen area? Hotel where you are gonna stay, hotel other accommodator, what is the accommodator, phone number, email address, which country you are visiting, travel expenses, who is paying, how you will cover. Okay, and if a sponsor pays, how sponsor will cover and who is the sponsor, and you will be asked for relevant documents also. Which country are you applying from? Okay, I'm just putting a sample. So in this case, this will go over here, and it has got some visa specific information. So that is why I say, like, when you select the country you are applying, it comes documents. Please find the list. Okay, if you click here, okay, again that we had seen already. Summary. Okay, because we have left all these questions, but it's okay, we can go through because we have walked through all. About you, if we start, name at birth, gender, date of birth, country, town born in, nationality number optional, and we have gone through all these tabs, so we know what information they ask, and they have clearly said in the checklist this you need to do. And signed cover letter from online application portal Norway received by email. So once you submit it, you will get an email where you will have a cover letter that you're gonna take it up over there. Otherwise you can even download once you do it, because in the same portal there is a way like my applications. If you go from there, you can download as well. Now we know the process. So basically the process is simple: gather documents, fill online application, get the email printed, schedule an appointment, and go. Now if you want to see how much amount you so when you apply, only there itself you are gonna pay, but for additional service and courier fee you're gonna pay here. Certain additional services are not included and these are optional. Okay, so let's see. payments and refund. So they have not given the information, but it's general fee. I'll still find out. See, there's a link. How much is the application fee? So if I go for visitor visa, so it's given in euro. For adults in a 12-year-old, single or multiple, okay, 80 euro. Under 6 years, there is nothing. Okay, fine. Fee if you hand in visa application center, so then you must pay additional courier fee. That makes sense. So additional services and fee. Let's see if I go for short term. Application fee 80 euro. Okay, fine. VFS service charge 1820, so total 100 euros, and it's non-refundable. Okay, so I think now you got the idea, and I hope you're gonna like this video. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.